stars to the Fortune 500.
Mommy's having a french fry. Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Banana V8, 100% vegetable soup. The 3 of your daily vegetable servings in every little box. Before it's history. It's you. Wow, that was impressive.
Tomorrow on the show, we're going to have Laura and Justin Bieber's pastor. His mom said on the show that she is very religious. In the meantime, log on to FoxandFriends.com because we're going to have an active discussion right there. And we're lobbying for
Right, yeah, after running for the TV, running for the radio, and we have Michael Phelps in the studio.
See you Wednesday.
Morning, everybody. Brand new week here. That clock is running in Washington. We are 4 days from the deadline, where billions in budget cuts start moving into effect. The Medicare and the military total around 1.2 trillion over the next 10 years, and some are threatening that thousands